Hi, my name is Piper Stevens. I am a digital research intern at the Newcomb Institute, and today I will be talking about our work on the African Letters Project, which is a project brought to us by Elizabeth McMahon, a professor of history at Tulane University, specializing in East African history. The African Letters Project is essentially a database that contains letters written between people in Africa and America during the decolonialization period between the years of 1950 and the 1990s. This database focuses on the connections between people living in African countries and the United States that sort of shaped this period in history. The overall goal of this project was to develop a website to house the database and make this data accessible to historians, scholars, community members, really anyone who wants to use this data. In addition to housing the data, we wanted to utilize data visualization softwares to map this data and form connections for a holistic analysis of the people and connections that shaped this period in history. In terms of the work we did on this project, we sort of divided it into two main focuses, the first of which was web development. As a team, we chose to develop this website on WordPress, and so we really wanted to focus on user interface and just creating an aesthetic and easily accessible website. So I'm going to show you what we've done so far with that. This is our homepage, a little about section. Some important pages on this website is this letters page, which will eventually house the actual letters in the database. We haven't migrated the data over yet, so currently it just has these test entries. As you can see, it would be a title here, a photo, scanned photo of the letter, and then other demographic information. Another important page is the data page, which will eventually have a downloadable database for anyone who is on this website. So in addition to creating a website, the second focus was on this data visualization aspect. There are so many options for data visualization software out there, and so many of them have their own pros and cons. And we just decided that as a team, we needed to do more research in order to fully understand the options available to us and then choose the one that will best fit our needs. So in doing that, we created a document that basically lays out all of the different options for data visualization software, and then in addition to that, contains pros, cons, costs, a rating for technical complexity, which data format it supports, as well as which visualization abilities it offers. This is sort of a tool that can be used for this project as well as any other project that requires data visualization capabilities, which is a lot of them. And so moving forward from here, the next steps will be to choose a software to use for this project. The African Letters Project database has geospatial data, so each letter is connected to two different places, so it's going to be really important to choose a data visualization software that allows mapping of the data and then can draw connections between different letter writers. In addition, moving forward, the next steps for this project will be to migrate the data from its original source onto this website. In addition, we want to create a form that allows community members to upload their own letters so that this database is continually expanding and has a wider reach. And then the last piece will be to actually upload the data visualization software and incorporate the data and then really create those graphs and maps that allow for deeper analysis of the data. We learned a lot with this project, and especially in terms of web development and design, and I think it's going to be really exciting moving forward to see how it really fleshes out.